coming to you from a boreal forest in Finland. The weatherman said you should expect a snowfall. For a normal person, this is a clue point needing to get out of here. But I'm a serial ignorer. Today's outfit is the British Army Arctic tent. I want to experience a snowfall night in it. I found a spot. You know, this is not the stealthiest spot in the world. It's by this power line corridor cut into the woods. Random hikers may pass through there. I'll take my chances. What do they say? If you don't take any risks, you have a wasted soul. The real risk maybe is to throw everything into one particular roll of the dice. It's this tent. We'll see how it will perform. I don't fear the valley, for I am the shadow and so on. Anyway, I'm here. You don't have to. You can sit at home and eat bonbons. So it seems I managed to locate myself on a stone slab. The stakes are not penetrating the earth's surface at all. They're completely useless. A couple of poles will keep the guy lines tight and this tent pressed to the ground. Both sides, of course, and this too. Everything anchored down. It's erected in all its glory. Onto the next section. We need to make some firewood. The wind has started to pick up and there's snow bursting from the heavens. We are firing on all cylinders. The wind is blasting quite hard. The Arctic tent is doing very well. The snow is not really sticking to the nylon. Smoked Baltic Sea herring for dinner. As a kid, the only seafood I trusted was the fish stick. I have evolved since then. This is great. And some fresh cucumber. What you now see is a vegan slaughterhouse. It's not very cold or anything, -3. Sitting in the snow tunnel, I can exit and enter this tent without opening the whole front of the tent to the elements. And I can also clean snow off my clothes and boots before entering. I hope to be on top of the game with this tent. Let's brew the final cup of tea. The flames race along the pot. You know, at first I thought this liner is cotton. It's soft and it feels like cotton. Actually, the fabric is Nomex. It's fire resistant fabric. It doesn't burn. If I hold this flame in place long enough, the fabric will scorch, it will char, but it won't burn. A very cool feature. A cookie with late night tea, you know. A PhD student from Latvia by the Baltic Sea. He wrote me. He wanted to show his idea of world peace cookies. It was like everybody come together and have a cookie and a cup of tea around the campfire, sing kumbaya together, you know. I'm speechless about this idea. You know, there are verses in the Bible, you know, coming together, having a meal together. You know, it doesn't work. There's no world peace. The temp inside the tent, it's like 13 degrees Celsius. That's because of the rock I took from the fire. It's sizzling hot. Okay, good night. Good morning. I woke just a minute ago. This British facility still seems to be up and running. And the temperature is 1 degree Celsius here inside the tent. I hope I kept it stealth. A lot of government nanny state jobs in Finland to protect and to serve the citizens. They want to, you know, keep their jobs. If they spot a guy living in the woods, they will send an ambulance, fire department, a police cruiser, and bang, you have a party like Village People by MCA. Looking good. I guess I managed to stay stealth. I see no party, snow piling up against the tent very naturally. The tent is sagging a bit from all the weight of the snow. No, it's not too bad. I survived. Actually, the camouflage is perfect. The front ventilation port remained clear. Another one only partially. All in all, very good job. Again, breaking camp soon, but first something to drink. Some hot chocolate heating up. They say this tastes better if you lick it off a woman. At the moment I can't change the cards I'm dealt. I hope you have better luck tonight. But remember, God is watching you.